Good morning guys! Welcome to another vlog. Today is Wednesday, August 10. August 10 ba ngayon, ate? August 10, ayan. Ate Dana, ano ba? I'm here at Mom's Place. Dito sa kanilang working area. Ayan, as you can see, meron silang ginagawang mamon tostado. Ayan. Just over there, nagbe-bake sila. Busy sila. I'm having breakfast right now. Medyo na-delay yung aking taping kasi wala daw makuhang sasakyan yung crew. My breakfast for today is my favorite garlic tuyo from the Blue Kitchen. Ayan. And I also have chili garlic tinapa. This is actually my favorite for years now. Ang tagal na ng Blue Kitchen. And talagang yun ang brand na gusto ko. Kahit marami ng naglabas ng brand out there. So yun. I'm having garlic rice. Cooked by Eva. Ayan. So, yun. Kain muna tayo while waiting for my call. Yun. Same damit kasi continuity kami ngayon from yesterday's shoot. Kasi we're doing just one episode. So, I'm still wearing the shirt that I wore tomorrow. I wore yesterday. Alright. Alright guys, I'm on my way na sana sa studio. Para dun kami mag-meet up ng crew, pero sad to say I just received a text from our production coordinator Alvin na hindi daw po tuloy ang shoot. So yun, I guess uwi na lang ako sa house ko and do some stuff. Maybe I could edit more vlogs para ma-upload. Ang dami ko ng vlogs na hindi pa na-upload, as well as fix some stuff there para ma-jot down ko rin yung mga bagay na dapat kong gawin sa house kasi medyo napapabayaan ko na, hindi ko na nagagawa yung target kong things to do for the house, for the pad I mean, kasi I'm planning to parang decorate more at saka bumili ng ilang pang mga talagang magagamit. Pero I'm really looking forward in buying sabi ko nga sa isang vlog ko nung nasa all home tayo, makabili ng sofa bed kasi I think it's gonna be very very useful. Hindi lang para sa akin kasi yun nga, most of the time I stay sa sala, I watch TV there, I work there from the dining area pag nagko-computer ako. And yun, I guess kapag may nag-sleep over or kapag gusto ko lang mag-nap sa hapon, magagamit ko talaga yung sofa bed. So I'm really looking forward to that. Plus I'm excited to fix the master's bedroom. So ayun, I'm really looking forward to doing those things sa aking mini pad. Maliit lang naman yun. And as well as doing much para sa nalalapit na premiere namin or premiere episode ng new show Tara Let's. We're set to tape on the 27th sa Robinson Star Mills and to be aired every Saturday starting December. Ayun. So yun muna ang aking mga pinagkakabalahan right now, plus syempre taking good care. Lately nga pala medyo nagkaroon ako ng maraming breakouts. I don't know, because of stress, because of fatigue. Marami tayong inasikaso lately. Puyat din na nag-iba yung body clock ko. Nagising ako sa gabi, tulog ako sa umaga. So medyo siguro nag-react yung skin ko, but thankfully medyo nawala na sila. Ayan, may mga konting breakouts lang dito. And yun, pinahinga ko lang yung skin at saka hindi talaga naglalagay ng kung ano sa face. And I have some products na talagang yun lang yung ginagamit ko. Maybe I will do a haul for that in the next few vlogs. Alright, so this has been Hansley. The day is just starting. Maganda yung weather at I'm really excited in doing things today, and join me in today's vlog. Alright, now here at the apartment guys, ayan, cancel yung aming shoot, kaya yun, sayang naman yung ayos ko, no? But anyway, I will just find more time to be here from Mom's Place. Dumiretso na ako dito. Ito, i-vlog ko lang yung Yesterday, I was in Marquee Mall, remember, and sabi ko titingin ako ng mga furnitures. Wala pa ako nakitang New York skyline painting for this area, pero I found this throw pillow covers. Ayan. I decided to buy brown, pink para may accent color, gray or silver, aquamarine at saka brown ulit. Ayan, para lang magkaroon ng color yung aking area dyan, syempre. And then this is the one that I'm planning to replace. I'm planning to get a sofa bed. Hindi muna ako nag-aircon kaya yun, medyo maliwanag. Para natural light, natural air, para mapalitan din yung hangin kasi hindi naman ako lagi nagsistay dito. Yun, siguro I'll do more things today para sa vlog. I'm editing and downloading something, sana mag-work kasi gusto ko na mag-upload ng maraming videos. Ang dami ko ng videos na tape, hindi ko na-upload para ma-share sa inyo guys. And I have a good news. After ilang vlog siguro, I will be launching something na magbibigay ng prizes para sa inyo na mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel since we're reaching almost a year, and alam ko naman hindi ganun ka active yung aking YouTube channel kasi mostly nag-upload ako sa aking Facebook, pero this time I'm gonna be more active sa YouTube, pero i-share ko rin yun sa Facebook, syempre, para mas mapanood ninyo. And I'm planning to give giveaways sa mga magsasubscribe. So, watch out for that. Alright? Here's another haul, guys, para sa mga binili ko kahapon sa Marquee Mall. Again, about sa bahay pa rin. I bought this pichel since mahilig ako magtimpla ng juice. Buy one, take one siya. Yung isa na iwan sa bahay ni Mami. Yung isa nandito. Kumuha ko ng coffee. Kay Mami kasi merong siyang binigay sa akin na creamer na, look at this, very cute, Coffee Mate na liquid. Ayan, i-mix mo na lang siya sa kape. Sobrang sarap niya, as in sobrang sarap, ang bango-bango, ang linalinamnam. So kailangan ko ng black coffee to mix that. And I also bought this one. Buy one, take one din siya. Again, naiwan yung isa sa bahay. Yung lalagyan ng rice. Nangawit ako lalagyan ng rice. Tapos may cover siya. Kasi pag nagsasaing, ayoko naman maiwan sa rice cooker kasi natututong ma. So, pwede mong iserve yung rice yan. And, pag marami kang guests, pag magsasaing ka ulit, transfer mo lang dyan. And kapag nag-garlic rice, maganda siyang lagyan. So, basically, that's the stuff that I bought yesterday para rin dito sa house. Ang ganda ng color ng ating mga throw pillows. I'm planning to make that as our filming area kapag nandito sa apartment yun. So at least hindi naman nasayang yung ayos ko ngayon. Vlogging pa rin tayo. Hello guys, it's basically the end of the day. Buong araw ko nandito sa loob ng apartment, and I edited most of the videos all day. Nag-enjoy naman ako at lumawak pa yung skills ko. Pero hindi pa naman ako ganun kagaling mag-edit sa computer. Kasi before kasi I used diretso sa iPhone or sa Android phone nag-edit using apps. Pero right now, I am into iMovie. Medyo na-enjoy ko rin siya kahit buong araw. I uploaded videos na, yung aking August 1st video at saka yung haul. Siguro napanood nyo na yon. So yun, medyo excited lang din kasi marami na akong na-explore when it comes to editing videos. Pero yun nga, as I've said, marami pa akong dapat mapag-aralan. Nakalimutan ko na kumain. Tubig lang ako ng tubig, tsaka coffee. Ayan, and eto, nag-upload ako ng isa pang video for you guys. I'm really excited kasi nga nabanggit ko, I will be having a subscribe and win promo sa aking channel, and I'm really excited. No time to prepare dinner kaya pabili na lang ako ng Jollibee. Yay! Have it. Tagal na rin natin hindi nag-Jollibee, no? Ngayon lang ako mag-Jollibee ulit. So yun, pinahinga ko lang yung aking mata. At ang aking utak, I'm watching Dolce Amore right now. Siyempre, starring Enrique Hill and Liza Soberano and my dearest ate Frenchie D. Ayan, so yun. Basically, that's my day. And siguro papahinga na rin ako para tomorrow, another new day, and I have good news for everyone. So watch out. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please don't forget to follow me on the following sites, alright?